to left right. Driving the McLaren.
Big sand. No ABS though.
And